At Roundtable Recording Company, we have two different programs. We have our recording arts program. Those are for the people that want to be an engineer on this side of the glass. And we have our music production program. Those who want to write, be producers, composers.
Coming here, you get that skill set in a very short period of time because they're in a real studio environment. They're in the real world. They're hearing from people that do this day in and day out. Whether they're going on to college or whether they're just ready to go find their first client, they need to have the skill set necessary to do that, and that's what these programs do.
It's really incredible that you can step out of this building and feel so confident.
I can't imagine what my career would be like if programs like this existed when I started in business.
And here it's a lot easier for the students to get in and get a lot of hands-on time and get that experience that they need.
The foundation to any successful studio is going to be client relations, how you're greeted, how the schedule is run, getting clients and keeping clients coming back. And that's something that we really try to emphasize in our education program. So I'd love for you guys to reach out and book a tour.
Jump out there. If this is something that you want to do it.